inspection on the light switches quickly. What we'll do is we'll look at the type of light switch. This is looks like an old crab tree. It will normally show on the side. This is a Lumet, but yeah, it's got a steel base and a steel cover. If I can find the cover, you can see it's a steel cover. To know what is important on this specific light switch, we need to know that this earth is going all the way through to this cover onto this screw that's holding it in place. So that is what we will check later on with our test, and for now what we will do is check the color coding on your wires. So all the wires here is live wires, which is correct. We've got the live coming in and your two wires going to your lights independently. The one is for the kitchen and one is for the outside lights. So we will be doing this type of inspection, visual inspection on all the light switches. Okay, this is the second light switch that we inspected. We can see this one is exactly the same as the previous one. Everything seems to be in order, so we will be determined if that is true by doing a test later on. Here we got another light switch, but we can determine from one. This is a two-way light switch. We have two one-ways, and yeah, so far it seems like it's all working in condition. There's the one bedroom. It's got also a light switch here. Color coding is fine. Earth is there. So once again, we'll do the test later on. Room number 2, exact same thing. Live out, and your earth. And probably the main bedroom, we've got your live in, live out, your earth, and there's your light switch working. Cool. We've checked the one socket outlets in the room next door, so we're going to check this one quickly, see if everything is over here. Okay, I'll taste it in. Just be careful, do not touch live ports. Luckily, no live ports here. It's on. Lights is on, lights is perfect. Taste it, 1.18 ohm. Okay, going room number 3 here, we're going to do the exact same test here. We put in our socket out, the plug tester, loop test and switch it on. We get 232 volt. Press the button, we get 1.13 ohm. So what we as a company did, we 1.13 ohm. We created this document specifically for our inspections, where we can note all the problems and have backup for everything. So we have a location here. We've got the small layout of the room. We've got where the socket outlets are situated, where the light is, the light switch, what type of light switch. And then I can use this to write my values in for what we found on the test. In the lounge area, what we'll be doing here is the same test. We will be plugging on 231 volt. Gives us 1.1 ohm for this plug specifically here. On our drawing, it's labeled as plug number 9. 1.1 ohm. Now we will be moving on to the next plug. Okay, plug in the, where you put the washing machine properly. In. On 231 volts. And we get 1.04 ohm. Or same setup, switch on, 231 volt, make sure the lights is on, that one is off, taste 1.08. The counter, probably last block we'll be checking, 233 volt and 1.03 ohm.